Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two indoor security cameras that are vying for the top spot in your home. In the left corner, we have the Litokam 2K indoor security camera, and in the right corner, we have the UPULTRA security camera. Let the battle begin. Alright, let's start with the most important factor, video quality. The Litokam 2K indoor security camera boasts a 2K resolution and a high-tech optic lens that delivers crystal clear image quality. It's like watching a movie in your own home. Show footage from Litokam 2K indoor security camera, on the other hand. The UPULTRA security camera offers full HD 1080p resolution. While it's not as fancy as 2K, it still provides a clear vision that gets the job done. Show footage from UPULTRA security camera. So if you're a video quality enthusiast, the Litokam 2K might be your best bet. But hey, if you're not too picky and want to save a few bucks, the UPULTRA security camera won't disappoint either. Now let's talk about motion detection. Both cameras claim to have this feature, but who does it better? Let's find out. The Litokam 2K indoor security camera utilizes smart perceived technology to detect movements. It sends an alert notification to your phone in real time. No sneaky intruder will go unnoticed. Show Litokam 2K motion detection feature. Meanwhile, the UPULTRA security camera also has a highly sensitive motion sensor. It records any movement and sends you an alert through the app. Say goodbye to unexpected surprises. Show UPULTRA motion detection feature, so whether you choose the Litokam 2K or the UPULTRA, you can sleep peacefully knowing that your camera has got your back. Picture this, it's pitch black and you hear a noise. Which camera will help you see what's going on? Let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities. The Litokam 2K indoor security camera features intelligent IR cut switch technology. It automatically changes to day or night mode based on the lighting conditions. Plus, it has a night vision distance of up to 33 feet. Show Litokam 2K night vision feature, on the other hand. The UPULTRA security camera also offers night vision, allowing you to view clear images even in complete darkness. No ghostly shadows will escape your surveillance. Show UPULTRA night vision feature. So whether you're dealing with a midnight snack thief or just checking on your adorable pets, both cameras will give you a clear view of what's happening in the dark. According to Amazon reviews, customers have praised the Litokam 2K indoor security camera for its clear picture quality, night vision, and motion detection. On the other hand, the UPULTRA security camera is appreciated for its easy setup and excellent picture quality. Both cameras have received positive feedback overall. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Litokam 2K indoor security camera and the UPULTRA security camera in terms of video quality, motion detection, and night vision. Now it's up to you to decide which camera suits your needs and budget. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make informed choices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.